Today we want to complete this chapter. Next class, I will take a class test of it, right? So I hope you all completed the notes. Yesterday also I resent that one.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes,
Completed.
ma'am.
Yeah. Oh, everything completed. All.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Physical change,
ma'am.
everything complete.
That is what I told. You have to read the textbook properly. You have to read the notes and to come. Prepare well for science class, today's science class.
Okay, ma'am.
So if I ask question, you will be able to answer my questions. Then next class, you can expect a class test, MCQ class test out of 10. I will prepare it. Okay.
Ma'am, Google Forms.
Yeah, Google form. Monday first period is science, right?
Yes, ma'am. 8:30.
Yeah, 8:30. If there is no change in timetable, I will take that time. So you'll be ready for it. Now, up to where we discussed, can anybody say?
Crystallization.
Advait? Yes,
Ma'am.
Advait?
Crystallization.
Crystallization.
Crystallization. So almost it's over, right? Almost it's
Yes,
over.
ma'am.
Yeah, but two more topics are there. See, here all we are discussing about chemical changes. Am I right? Chemical changes. Crystallization is a really, it is a physical change. We are getting the pure substance back, right? And what about the photosynthesis? Which type of change? Photosynthesis. One minute. I will ask question. Dion, what do you mean by photosynthesis? First, let me know what is a photosynthesis.
Plants.
Photosynthesis.
Plants prepare their food by sunlight.
Say it loud. In the smaller classes, you learned it, right? Okay.
Yes,
Say it
ma'am.
loud.
Ma'am.
Plants prepare their food with sunlight,
In the presence of sunlight.
oxygen.
Oxygen. Is it oxygen are
No.
they using?
Carbon dioxide.
Yeah, carbon dioxide. Okay, they are liberating oxygen after photosynthesis. Okay. So, Vijin, can you tell me what is a photosynthesis? Vijin?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes, Vijin.
Photosynthesis is the method which plants use to make food.
Yeah.
It is
very good.
Sunlight plus water.
In the presence of sunlight,
Plants
use water and
or
one more thing important.
carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Very good. Very good. Okay. These all they use, and green plants only can prepare food, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Green plants. Yeah. In the presence of chlorophyll. So they are taking Nada. During photosynthesis, what all ingredients they need for preparing food? What all ingredients the plants need for preparing food? Nada?
Manganese.
One minute. See, Ebin Anthony. Yes, Ebin Anthony, tell me, what are the things required for a plant to prepare food?
Carbon dioxide.
Very good.
Sunlight.
Okay.
Water.
Right? Water and carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. After the photosynthesis, what they are preparing?
Ma'am,
what
can I say?
they are preparing after the photosynthesis?
Ma'am, can I say?
Oxygen. Naveen?
Ma'am, can I say?
Naveen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, after the photosynthesis, what they are preparing?
They are preparing oxygen.
Very good. Oxygen. Yeah. Then?
Then
food. Food is in the form of,
Carbohydrates.
Glucose. Okay, glucose. Yeah.
Glucose.
It is showing that children is showing that network is unstable.
Ma'am,
Sometimes I will
for
lose
you it's showing red signal.
Yeah. Sometimes Nigel, what you are doing here?
I'm Nigel.
Nigel. Where is Nigel?
I am not doing nothing.
You did not do anything. See, you put one cap on your head, right?
That my brother gave, ma'am.
Brother came in between.
Yes, ma'am.
So tell him don't disturb you, okay? Otherwise, I will call your parent. You have to get the scoldings then, okay? So during the photosynthesis, plants are taking carbon dioxide and water, but they are producing oxygen and glucose. Okay, so what they are taking, is that the same thing they are producing?
No, ma'am.
No, quite different.
New substance is formed.
No, new substance is formed.
Ma'am, it's a chemical change.
So as the new substances are
Chemical
formed,
change.
Ma'am, it's a
we can
chemical
say
change.
that photosynthesis is a
Chemical change.
Okay, photosynthesis is a chemical change. Once again, let me explain. As during the photosynthesis, plants are taking water and carbon dioxide. After photosynthesis, they produce glucose, that means the food, and glucose and oxygen. So it is not the same thing that they are producing which they absorb. So photosynthesis is a chemical change. Understood? So Sharanya, tell me photosynthesis, which type of change is that? Photosynthesis, Sharanya.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, which type of change you can see in photosynthesis?
Ma'am, it is a chemical change.
Why you can say that it is a chemical change? What is the proof of it?
Ma'am, because one or more new substance is formed in it.
What is the new substance formed there?
Ma'am, oxygen.
Oxygen. What is the substance that is absorbed?
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, carbon dioxide and water. So photosynthesis is a chemical change. Now, yes, Advait, somebody asking? Yeah. Yes, Akash.
Ma'am.
Affirm, please leave the class. It is not your period. I think it is your Hindi period. Check the timetable and get into the right board. Okay. So here, next point is our digestion. What do you mean by digestion? Have you heard about digestion?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay.
Ma'am,
Devanarayan. One minute. Devanarayan. Unmute your audio.
Ma'am, his mic will never work, ma'am. His mic has some problem.
Yes, ma'am.
Some problem? No, he is talking.
Now he removed the headset.
Okay. Dev,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me what is digestion?
Digestion is the process by which we digest the food which we have eaten.
Okay.
And pass it out.
Okay, it is related to food which we are eating, right? Okay, good. Is it the correct definition? Is it the correct definition?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Let me ask. 1 minute.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay,
Can I-
Nigel is present here. Nigel? No. So
Yes, ma'am.
Nigel, okay. Nigel John, please tell me, what is digestion?
Digestion is a process of which food.
Food? That is related to food. What happens to the food? What happens to the food?
Break down into
breaks
molecules.
down. Okay, why why is the need of breaking down of food? Why is
To
there
digest
to break
fast.
down food? Sorry?
Digest fast.
I am asking about digestion and you are saying about digest. Okay, Vijin. Yes, Vijin.
Ma'am, to absorb, so we can absorb it faster when it comes in simple.
Okay, good. Very good answer. Okay. So, digestion means breaking down of food into simpler parts. Simpler parts.
Ma'am, complex substances into simpler form.
Simpler form, simpler parts. Very good. Very good. Why we need to make it in simpler form?
Otherwise,
Ma'am,
you
so
can't
that
eat
we
it,
can
ma'am.
digest it fast and we can absorb the
If we
nutrients.
swallow it, the digestion will be slower.
See, if you are eating parota, you all like parota, right? Okay. If you eat parota, see, parota contains some nutrients. I am not saying it is good for health. Some carbohydrates you will get, right? So, if the blood gets this carbohydrate, then only our body will get energy. Understood? If the blood gets these all nutrients contained in the food, then only we will get energy.
Yes, ma'am.
We are eating food to get the energy.
Yes, ma'am.
So, in order to get energy, the nutrients, protein, vitamins, minerals, that all are nutrients. These all nutrients from the food is to be absorbed into the blood.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, but from the parota or from the biryani, can the blood can directly absorb these all things?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, because that is compound.
Yeah, that is not possible.
We have to make it into simpler forms.
Yeah, so who is making this food into simpler substance?
Ma'am, hydrochloric acid.
Okay,
Hydrochloric
which body?
acid.
Which
body.
body part? Which body part is our hand?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
the teeth.
Stomach.
Mouth.
Okay,
Stomach.
digestive system, right? These all you learned in the smaller class. That is why you are still remembering, but not in a complete sentence, right? So these all the food that which we are eating, that all get digested in the digestive system. That includes the food pipe, stomach, liver, small intestine, large intestine, these all things, right? Yeah. So this in the stomach is like a mixer grinder. What all we eating, what all the heavy food which we are eating, the stomach will make it into a paste. When the food become paste, then only blood can absorb these useful substances from the food. Understood? Okay. So if you are eating chicken biryani, if you are eating chicken biryani, what will happen to that chicken biryani? Afrin?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Yes.
If you eat chicken biryani, what will happen to that chicken biryani?
It will digest.
Okay, what will happen? Where it will happen? That all I want to know.
Ma'am, in the stomach.
In stomach.
Okay, in the stomach, as it is the case of chicken biryani, Advait is very smart to answer. Okay, so this one, chicken biryani, will go to the stomach and it will become paste. Rice, chicken pieces, everything become paste like, and the blood can absorb the carbohydrate, fats, proteins, what all it is there in, and it will take it, right? So what we put it inside, what we ate, what did we eat? What did we eat?
Nutrients.
Chicken biryani, food items, right? What
Chicken
did we eat? Food items.
Item.
Yeah.
Food item.
After taking the useful substances from it.
Ma'am, we will take it out.
Okay, excretory organs take the waste out of it, right? Excretory organs will help to remove the waste from our body. After
And take
hearing
the
this, all
nutrition.
are happy. After hearing this, all are happy. So, what all we ate, is this the same form? Is it going out?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Something different, right? So, digestion, which type of change?
Chemical change.
Chemical change. Okay. So here digestion is also a chemical change. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
So there in the digestive organ, so many digestive juices are present. Bile juice. So many acids are
Pancreatic
present
juice.
in our
Pancreas.
yeah,
Pancreatic juice.
pancreatic juice, salivary juice.
Salivary.
Now, these all juices are chemicals. These all act on the food substances and
Ma'am, even villi. Villi.
Sorry, Shane?
Villi.
Okay, bile, not bile juice.
Ma'am, villi is there in small intestine.
Ma'am.
Okay, so these
Villi.
juices, these are, do you learn about the parts of, okay. So these these all juices act on the food substance and make it into simpler substance. Okay, so these two things only I need to explain today. And one more thing is there, I missed out, that is about resting. I explained it in the about
Yes, ma'am, I am resting.
yeah. Shiva Krishna, have you heard about rest? Not R-E-S-T, rest, which all you are taking nowadays. R-U-S-T, rest. R-U-S-T, rest. No. What is that, rest? Likewise, are you thinking?
I'm rusting of iron.
1 minute.
Resting of iron.
Priyanna. Okay. Shiva Krishna, please listen to Priyanna. Yes, Priyanna. What is rust? R-U-S-T, rust.
Rusting of iron.
Rusting of iron. Rusting of iron means what it is, I don't know.
Ganesha.
1 minute.
Ma'am,
Vijay.
can I?
We need rain.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, one.
Ma'am, can I?
See, I want to
Ma'am,
get
can-
answer from.
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Dion. Yes, Dion.
Yes, ma'am.
Can,
If we
can
keep a small piece of iron in outside, that will get a brown deposit on it.
Okay, reddish brown deposit
can I-
over the iron substances, right? That reddish brown substance is called rust. Shiva Krishna, the reddish brown substance appeared on the surface of the iron articles. Note down, iron articles. That is called iron articles or iron object. It is called rust. Do you have cycles, Shiva Krishna?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. I am asking to Shiva Krishna. Do you have cycles, Shiva Krishna?
I also have. Mama, it's
I
will
know.
become something rusty.
So is it the same? Is it showing the same shyness when you bought
Yes,
it?
ma'am.
Now is
Yes, ma'am. The rain will come.
see that cycle won't show the same shyness when you got it first time, right? Some dullness. You can feel some dullness in it.
Food.
Yeah, why it is dull? What made it dull? Who
Ma'am,
can-
like
rusting.
water.
Okay, due to the presence of
Oxygen.
Due to the water,
vapor in the
Water,
oxygen.
vapor, and
due to the
oxygen.
presence of oxygen
What?
in the
The
air and
air
water
and
vapor.
vapor.
Water
Water
vapor
vapor.
present in the atmosphere react on the iron surface. Due to that, it turns into rust. Is this rust and iron are same?
No, ma'am.
No,
Different.
Ma'am.
Rust is
Different.
a substance which is deposited on the iron.
Okay, so is this rusting of iron is which type of change?
Chemical.
Change.
Good.
Chemical.
Okay, how can we prevent rust?
Ma'am.
Ma'am, galvanization
One
or
minute,
by
one minute.
painting.
Galvanization
or painting.
Ma'am, galvanization and
Painting. Or
Please
galvanization.
mute
a
your-
painting.
Noel.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, how we can prevent the rusting?
And can you repeat?
How we can prevent rusting of iron?
By painting or galvanization?
By applying oil, grease, or paint over the surface of iron objects. Good. And another one is galvanization.
Galvanization.
Okay, what is I will ask, okay, don't say answers together. Before that, let me call some names. Priyanna, Abhinav, Manoj, Nadha, then Nigel, Felix, Hassan. I am not taking the attendance, but I want to see you all. Yeah, Felix. Yeah. Arav, yeah. Switch on. Are you watching any film? You are in the classroom, right? So you have to switch on your videos to show your face.
Can I say?
Yes, Diya. Yes.
Mechanization.
Galvanization is the process in which we apply a layer of zinc
Ah,
to
The
the
positive.
iron.
Okay, zinc on iron. That process is called galvanization. Once again, Amrita, tell me what is galvanization?
The process by which we apply a coat of zinc to an iron object.
Okay, Shiva Krishna, what is galvanization? Shiv is not here.
Shiva.
He
Ma'am,
vanished.
can I?
Okay, so let me ask to Felix Roy. Felix, what is galvanization? Felix?
Yes, sir.
No?
Yes, sir.
Okay, Neha Mary. Felix, listen to Neha's answer, okay? Neha, what is galvanization?
The process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron is called galvanization.
So what is this zinc? I don't know. What is this zinc? Where it come from? Zinc. What is this zinc? Vijin, what is this zinc?
Metal.
Say it loud. You can answer it. Yes, say it loud. What is zinc? Z-I-N-C. Z-I-N-C. Zinc. Okay, Akash, what is zinc? Akash.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what is zinc? Z-I-N-C. You told in galvanization we can apply a layer of zinc over the iron. What is this zinc? I don't know. Can you tell me, please? Okay, don't worry. Zinc is a metal like iron. Iron is a metal, right? In the same way, zinc is also a metal. But what is the difference between zinc and metal?
Zinc will not get rust.
Yeah, very good. Zinc will not rust. Okay, zinc will not get rust. But iron will get
Rusted.
That is why
Will
we
get
can protect. That is why we can save the iron object from getting rust by applying the zinc or chromium. Another one is there, chromium. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
chromium. See, have you seen your cycle handles?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Can you see any difference between the shyness of your cycle handle with
Yes,
that of
ma'am.
your chain, cycle chain?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The handles of the cycle are bright, right?
Yes, ma'am.
There you can see the coating of chromium. Understood? Chromium. Chromium
Yes, ma'am.
is
Okay, ma'am.
also another metal. Chromium
Yes,
is
ma'am.
also another metal. Like zinc. Like zinc, chromium is also another metal which does not rust. So we can apply a coating of zinc or chromium over the surface of the iron articles in order to save this. Okay, save the iron from the rusting. So when we apply zinc over the iron, that is called galvanization. Galvanization is the process of applying other metals on iron. That full process we can say either it is zinc or it is chromium if we are applying. We can call that process as galvanization. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
But when we use zinc to apply over the iron, we will get galvanized iron. Have you heard this galvanized iron?
No, ma'am.
No, first time. And another word is there, GI pipe. Did you hear?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
GI
Yes,
pipe
ma'am.
is there.
Ma'am,
advertisements are there.
pipes. Ma'am,
Okay,
pipes
GI
are
Many advertised.
Yeah,
Ma'am,
in
pipes are
advertisements,
galvanized.
right. Okay. In advertisements, you might have heard about GI pipe. Capital G and capital I. GI pipe. What is the full form of it?
Galvanized.
Galvanized.
Galvanized pipe.
Galvanized pipe.
now
Galvanized iron pipe.
okay, next in the next time when you hear this same advertisement, you should say to your parents if they don't know, GI pipe means galvanized iron pipe. Okay, Nihal. So tell me Nihal. Tell me, what is GI pipe? What is a GI pipe?
Galvanized iron pipe.
That is full form.
Galvanized
How we
iron
get
pipe.
galvanized iron pipe?
And the irons.
Ma'am,
Iron
by
pipes
1
are
minute.
coated
Oh.
with galvanized.
Sorry, Nihal. Once again.
The iron pipe is coated with.
Okay, when we coat iron pipe by zinc, that is called, we will get GI pipe, right? What is the use of GI pipe? You all told.
It will not get rusted.
Okay, that is the merit of it. Okay. Have you seen GI pipe at your home?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Who said yes? Who said yes? Yes, tell me.
Vijay.
Dion. Yes, Dion, where you saw?
Not me, ma'am. Vijay.
Dion, where?
Vijay only told.
Okay, who?
Ma'am.
Yes, Vijay.
Ma'am, in houses while building.
See, Nihal, is it GI pipe? No. It is, see, GI pipe, I will tell you. Nowadays, for taking water from the tank, we use plastic pipes nowadays.
Yes, ma'am.
But long before, 20 years before, these GI pipes were used to flow water in our house. Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, this type of pipes we are using in stress work. Stress work means when we are keeping some sheets, aluminium or iron sheets over our roof.
Ma'am, the rails of the windows.
The rails of the windows. Sometimes I see how it is. The rails of the staircase. See.
Yes,
Nowadays we can substitute an object with so many type of substances. But one thing I can say, for stress work means if when we are using some sheets over our house roof.
Yes, ma'am.
You know that, right? There we are using some pipes. That pipes are always GI pipes. That will not rust. So that arrangement will be there for a long time. Okay. So GI pipe, that is all we can see. Today you ask your parents any GI, any substance is there at your home made by GI pipe.
Yes.
Okay, it is very heavy. It is very heavy. It is very heavy, not like plastic pipes and all. Okay.
Ma'am, we use these GI pipes for making the buildings, the first work of buildings.
Truss work of the building. Yeah, that is what I told. Okay. So ask your parents. So I think these all portions over chapter 6. Next class I will take a class test. Then that class itself I want to take the next chapter, that is respiration. Okay. All should learn this chapter properly. Read the textbook properly. Learn the notes. Okay. Not only the notes, I will ask from in between the textbook also. So shall I take a attendance?